What is up, guys? This is the FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product called the Vanity mirror lights. Okay, I got this on Amazon for around like $20, right? So if you guys watch this channel, you guys would know I do have a Vanity lights already, but I needed another one for another mirror that I had, and I just wanted to go with something different. Okay, so I have this. I bought this one on Amazon for around $20. It is different. You guys will see in a minute. So let me just open it up. The box is pretty plain, just a simple white box, nothing to it, right? So let's open it up, and you can see basically it has whatever you need, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so that's the box. First, this is the power cord, right? And you can see it's a typical power cord, and it has this I guess this plug over here, right? And then next we'll see what else it has, right? It has this, right? This is basically a connector to the I guess the power cord will go in here, and this will connect into the lights, and this is the button for turning it on and off. Okay, and here are the actual lights. So if you guys notice that these lights look a lot different than your other ones, especially the other ones that I had in my other video, right? Yeah, it's not the bulb type, right? It's LEDs, right? And it's really nice. In the back it has the 3M tape, so you can just peel it off and stick it to wherever you want. There's a lot of them over here. I believe it's almost 10 feet long if you stretch it out. So yeah, depending on your mirror, you might have a lot left over. Okay, so now let me just plug it in and show you how it looks. Okay, so plug this one here, and I already plugged in the outlet over there, so I have it plugged in, and now I just want to just focus in a bit. Okay, now press this. You can see it's really bright over here, right? Oops, right here. Yeah, so you can see it's really bright. It looks really nice, especially if you have it on your face. It will illuminate your face really good. Overall, I think it looks good, but just my opinion, I'm not 100% sure whether this design will look good on every vanity, right, or every mirror. You guys will want to take that into consideration. Another thing is that this is the only light settings that it has. If you guys noticed and watched my other video, you guys probably would have noticed that those lights have different options. So there's a cool mode, a warm mode, right? So the way the light is more yellowish, and the cool mode is where it's more bluish, right? It has those two modes, and then it also has you can dim it, you can make it brighter. But over here it seems that there's only one settings, on and off, and you cannot make it brighter or dimmer. Okay, but aside from that, it really brightens it up. Since they're LED lights, so they are really bright. If you're looking for something simple, and this is on the cheaper side, right? So around $20. I think the other ones are slightly more, but they're slightly more, and they're not this long. This one is pretty long, so yeah, you might want to take all that into consideration. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any vanity lights that you use and that you think are better than this, let me know. Make sure to check out my other video for the other type of vanity lights that I reviewed. Yeah, so if you liked the video, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.